Hi, my name is Corin George, and I'm an application engineer with AFL's ASCEND platform. Today we will demonstrate the field reversible polarity of the LC Uniboot connector. First, we will unlatch the push-pull mechanism from the connector by pushing the tab on the underside of the connector to the left. Pull the push-pull tab away from the body of the connector. Once the push-pull tab has been removed from the connector body, flip the connector around and reinsert the tab. You have now changed the polarity of the LC Uniboot connector.